Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video I will show you if you have choose a nice TikTok video and you want to turn it into wallpaper. I will explain you. For that purpose we come to Play Store and we write here TikTok live wallpaper. After we write it, we choose only that application, TikTok live wallpaper. As you see, 100 million downloader. Because I have tried and download all of them, and I decided that that application is the best, and we clicked on it, and after that we click install, and it is only 209 kilobyte. After it installed, we click open, and that's all. We can close the application. After that we come to our TikTok application from here, and for example we come to search and we write here, for example, travel, and we are searching a video for turning into the wallpaper. For example, we are searching and we find a nice video from here. As you see, it is so cool, right? And we want to turn it into our live wallpaper. For that purpose we click the share button over here, as you see, and we scroll it onto left, and from here we see that there is an option over here, set as wallpaper. For example, you immediately, for example, open the TikTok and you click the share button and you scroll left, you will note that button over here. After you download this application, after that you will see that there is an option over here, and we click the share, and we scroll left, we click set as wallpaper, and after that we click on set as wallpaper, and it turn it to live wallpaper. Okay, let's see. As you see, it turned it into a nice and cool wallpaper, live wallpaper. It is so cool, right? It is so cool. And that is all for today. I hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, because it is so important for me. It will be motivate me for shooting another videos and for preparing another video for you guys. Take care, bye.